Look. Holy bird. Beezy. I just told Tony, I bet I could take my hand out. So you gotta make him get on your hand. Trying to get the other one. Sorry, how you training?
Wendy's mozzarella chicken supreme. Crisp chicken, lots of mozzarella, and rich Parmesan sauce. Making taste that makes
you only put 1 foot on.
Get a $10
he had 1 foot on.
when you purchase a kids meal. See offer for details.
You are a business pro. Getting it done. You know how to dance with a deadline. And you rent from National, because only National lets you choose any car in the aisle and go. You can even take a full size or above and still pay the mid-size price. This is awesome. Yes, it is, business pro. Yes, it is.
Little bitty one.
Go like a pro.
Be precise. Be powerful.
You can't reach it. He'll walk on there. That's it.
A watch that never needs a battery. This is the unstoppable. If you live for the NFL, you'll love NFL Network. Wake up.
They go hard. I guess this is how you train them. It's a cigarette over there. Ah, you just do things.
It's football 365 days a year.
Wait. I just kept on like putting my thumb under one of his hands to like get farther from him and make him have to reach a little bit.
The strength of this Baltimore Ravens offensive line is right here. These two guys, Marshall Yonda, probably the toughest guy on their football team.
Oh shit.
Similarly, on the outside, the second-round draft pick, they think he is going to be a superstar.
Tony, look.
Big-time player,
Tony.
gets a chance to play next to Yonda, to incorporate some of that toughness into his game. But that's where they're going to go when they need to play, especially running game.
They picked up the yard they needed there.
You might have to keep that food in your head. Birds gone, y'all. They gone wet up. Was the cat trying to get it?
Yes, I'm trying to get it. Towel or something.
Where he at?
Right here. He's not going to go. That's what I'm saying. We need a towel.
They come back to his food.
You know what I'm saying? But the cat's underneath the bed waiting. I've got Bear locked in there. This is Cosmo. But I know she's right here somewhere.
No, it's right here. All you do is close the door.
Close the door.
Where the other one at, Tony? You got it? Hey, you can catch that one quick. That That's the one they wouldn't come to us, ain't it?
Like that fan. And then if you turn off the light, they don't.
I learn about these birds, don't you?
Damn.